This is Acer Iconia M10, and today I'll show how you can hard reset this tablet through the Android recovery menu. So a hard reset procedure is going to help refreshing the device. If you would like to erase all data and start new and fresh, that's the procedure that you would like to do probably. It will also help you with removing the screen lock. So if you are locked out of your tablet, you forgot the screen lock you have set up earlier perhaps, you can also use the hard reset procedure to, well, bypass that problem. This process will also result in the reset of all devices settings and preferences to their factory default values. So should you have anything of value stored on your device, make sure to back up these files and data beforehand. Now press and hold the power key to launch the power off menu and select the power off option. Now wait a few seconds for your tablet to be shut down all the way. And once it is, you will need to simultaneously press and hold the volume down and power buttons, and release them once you'll see the boot menu. Here is the boot menu, so use the volume down to navigate and power key to confirm the selection. So in this boot menu, we are looking for the recovery mode, so put this little arrow in front of the recovery mode and then press the, well, power button. Or actually, my bad, excuse me guys, you will need to press the volume up key to confirm, so do that. Once the recovery mode is selected, now wait a few seconds for the tablet to enter the recovery mode, and here it is. Now you will need to use the volume up down to navigate and power key to confirm, so among those options we will need to select the wipe data factory reset, so let's do exactly that. Wipe data factory reset. Once it is selected, press the power button. Now select the factory data reset once again to confirm, and the power key. And as you can see, the data wipe is completed. Now we can reboot the system, and you'll know that the factory or hard reset procedure is completed all the way by, well, seeing the initial system setup screen or, well, interface. So let's wait for that, and then I'll finish the video. And here is the setup screen, so thanks for watching and bye-bye.